Zulu, beads, banging. Check on the bummer. To the Jefferson T, Serene Diggle. Okay, look. Tattoos. I'm getting the tattoo live on air. As you can see, I'm at the radio station right now. I'm getting the tattoos. And this is Black Rose Ink. I want you to see these people right here. I want you to identify these people if anything happens. See? Look. Identify, state your name. State your name, miss.
Vonda Casey.
Did you see her? Look, show any tattoos that. Do you remember she got a tat of that thing right there? What is that? Who?
Geishas.
Geishas on the. What was that? She's brandishing the right arm. Okay, we're going over to her husband, who has. What is it? What is that? What's this?
This is my tattoo equipment that will be tattooing you to see and just happening. And
okay, he has this thing on here. Make sure that can you get that? You got his sign? All right, straight. Cool. You get his ID? They got their IDs, right?
Nothing happened to you.
you know what? He talking so businessy. Here's your forms.
Okay. Oh, I have to say. You got to sign this. It's a waiver.
Yes.
So I have to. I like how you did. He said it's the business. Oh, he took me out of character. Look, no, he like, nah, nigga, you gonna sign this before. I ain't mad at you. So look, when we back, I'm gonna go ahead and go over the waiver piece.
All right.
This is Black Rose Ink. They doing me, tatting me up today. Okay, we live on the air.
That's beautiful.
I leave my PlayStation games too. My son Javon. Kayla, I love you.
Really?
Say that. I'm gonna get you that bike for Christmas. I love you.